Hey y'all, this is Penny D Tattoos in Springfield, Oregon, and this is my review of the Favvosee Nebula 2 Tattoo Kit. This is a travel kit, and they came prepared with every single thing you need in order to tattoo. We have ink caps, one pair of gloves, multiple colors of inks, as well as all of the machine stuff that you might need to tattoo, including a power supply and a foot pedal, and of course, the Nebula 2 tattoo machine. The cartridges that this machine kit came with were not my favorite, but I super appreciated the fake skin that they offered in order to practice with the machine. In these clips, you can see me setting everything up, and you can see just exactly what the foot pedal and power supply look like. Setting up this machine was relatively effortless, and the machine itself runs as low as 5 volts and as high as 12, though the power supply was able to run quite a bit faster than that. Comes with an RCA cord attachment and RCA cord style in the machine. And coming up here pretty soon, you'll be able to hear how the Favvosee cartridges sound running in the Favvosee machine. I have included a couple tattoos that I did, one in color, one in black and gray. And thanks y'all for listening. Have a good one.